Good morning everyone. So you all are prepared to begin with your today's maths class now? Yes? Have taken your proper breakfast, even attended your Hindi class also, isn't it? So now let's begin with our today's maths class. So what are we going to do in maths? पता है किसी को? Okay, I'll tell you. So we are going to practice our counting today. But which counting? Backward counting. Yes. आपको याद है हमने एक काउंटिंग को लिखा था रिवर्स ऑर्डर में, जहां पे हमने कहां से स्टार्ट किया था? 20 से बिगिन किया था उस काउंटिंग को. So today we are going to write backward counting from 20 to 0. Clear? You remember how we did? What comes before लिखते गए थे जब हम जिस काउंटिंग में. What comes before? उससे पहले, उससे पहले, उससे पहले. So we are going to practice the same counting today. Clear? So can anyone tell me what is the date, class? Yes, it's 17th February 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Wednesday नहीं होता, it's Wednesday today. Okay? So let's begin our counting from 20. आज हम काउंटिंग को 1 से नहीं स्टार्ट करेंगे. We are going to begin from 20 और फिर उससे before लिख के we will reach 0. Clear? Then let's start writing. So the first number we have to write is 20, like this. Now can you tell me what comes before 20? What number should I write here? 20 से before क्या आता है? 19. कौन सा नंबर आता है? 19. So we will write here 19. Now tell me what comes before 19? 19 से पहले क्या आता है? 18. Yes. आप देखेंगे जब हम ये काउंटिंग लिख रहे हैं तो हम ये रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिख रहे हैं, उल्टा वाला. जब हम काउंटिंग बोलते हैं वी ऑलवेज से ना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. लेकिन जब हमें इसे रिवर्स करना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. What is this? उसको उल्टा करना. Clear? That means reverse, backward. देखो जब हम फॉरवर्ड चलते हैं तो हम ऐसे चलते हैं. बैकवर्ड में आप अपने ही स्टेप्स को पीछे की तरफ मूव करते हो ना. So the same is counting. हम जो नंबर्स लिख रहे हैं वो हम पीछे की तरफ लिखेंगे. Clear? So 18. Now tell me what comes before 18? 18 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? We have 17. So we will write 17. Clear? Now what comes before 17? 16. So we will write 16 here. Now we have 16. So tell me what comes before 16? 16 से पहले क्या आता है? 15. So we are going to write 15. Now what comes before 15? 14 we have. So we will write 14. Then we have 13. So we will write 13. 13 से before 12 और 12 से before आएगा हमारा 11. Now you have to stop here and check whether the numbers we have written are correct or not. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम नीचे से काउंटिंग को ऊपर लेके जाके चेक करेंगे from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, यही ऑर्डर होता है. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. अब देखो हमने कैसे लिखा 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. तो जब हमने इसको 20 से नीचे की तरफ लिखना शुरू किया, दिस इज कॉल्ड बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. और इसको चेक करने का क्या वे है? यू कैन चेक इट अदर वे आल्सो. डन. अब 11 लिख दिया. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 11. I'm so sorry. Now we have 11 here. So what comes before 11? Can you tell me that? 10. So we are going to write 10 here. Now अब 10 से हमें reverse counting को begin करना है. How we are going to do that? 10. Before 10 we have 9. So we will write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अब आप ज्यादातर बच्चे इसको 1 पे छोड़ देते हो, बट यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू राइट टिल 0. सो 1 के बाद आप 0 जरूर लिखेंगे. सो मेंशन 0 आल्सो. Clear everyone? So this is the way you are going to write your backward counting. Let's check once. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. और अब आप इसको दूसरे वे में भी चेक कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clear? So this is how you can check your own work also. You don't have to see कि ये गलत हो जाएगा क्या है. You can write it and check it yourself. Clear? Now we are going to write it once again. लेकिन अब हम उधर नहीं देखेंगे. You have to tell me now. Say with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Now I will check. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This one is correct. Clear? ऐसे अपना वर्क चेक भी करना है. Now we are going to write it from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then let's check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also correct. Clear? So this is how we write our backward counting. What is backward counting? जब हम counting को reverse order में लिखते हैं, उसको उल्टा लिखते हैं. That is called backward counting. Understood everyone? So let's have a revision again. Say with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is our backward counting and our today's work in the notebook. So now open your notebook, write down date, classwork, and then let's write our backward counting in notebook also. Okay? So class, let's see how we are going to do our work today. So the first thing you have to do is write today's date, 17th February 2021. Mention classwork. Then write down backward counting from 20 to 0. Clear? And after this, don't forget to write tens and ones in your notebook. Whenever we are doing this counting work, we have to write T for tens and O for ones. Clear? और जब हम काउंटिंग आगे सीखेंगे तो मैम बताएंगी कि then which are the other alphabets we are going to add here. Now let's start with our counting. So we have to begin our counting from 20, right? So as we did on board, let's start 20. 19. Then what comes before that? 18. Before 18 we have 17. Then before 17 we have 16. 15. 14, 13, 12, 11. So as I told you, like we did on the board, we are going to check it here also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means we have written this correctly. Now we are going to begin from 10 because what comes before 11? 10. So we are going to begin that from here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's check again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means our backward counting is written correctly. Clear? Now, let's practice writing our backward counting once again. So, let's begin with 20. Now, once after doing it once, leave 2 lines. Skip 2 lines and do again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So what comes before 15? 14, 13, 12, 11. And after 11, let's move to the next line. Here we will write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Clear? So this is how you are going to do your work. So let's check the counting that we have just written. Ones, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is how you are going to practice your backward counting in your notebook today. What is this? It's a classwork. This is the classwork you have done now. So what will be the homework? So homework will be same as classwork. That means you are going to practice writing backward counting once again as your today's homework on the next page. Clear? Don't forget to share it timely also. Is that clear to everyone? So class, I hope you have understood how we write backward counting. So backward counting is nothing but the revision of your concept, what comes before. Or you can also say it is the way of writing your numbers in reverse order. कि या तो what comes before वाला concept लेके चलेंगे. So you have to write the number that comes before the given number. या फिर you can also say it that we are writing our counting in reverse order. Both the ways we are doing our practice of backward counting. Clear? So it's time for you to finish your work now. Share it timely with me. Don't get late for sharing your work because nowadays we have started our revisions for upcoming final assessments. Clear? So जब तक आप मुझे timely share नहीं करोगे, how will I tell you where you are mistaken? प्लीज शेयर योर वर्क टाइमली. आप भेजते सब हो लेकिन कुछ बच्चे थोड़ा लेट भेजते हैं. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू शेयर योर वर्क टाइमली विद मी so that I can acknowledge you your mistakes and you can correct them also. Clear? Bye for now. Get ready for the next class. Take care.